I have a couple of physical servers, virtual machines, which I want to monitor. So I just don't want to see that if they are online or not. I want to see more than that, like CPU utilization, RAM utilization, disk read and write, a whole lot of other things. So Zabbix is a perfect fit for that. And I already have Zabbix in virtual machine, but it is running on a physical server. What if my physical server goes down? So that's not really practical. So this is why I'm going to install Zabbix on this NUC, but we are going to do it in the next video. So in this video, we are going to talk about just about Zabbix, a really quick overview about Zabbix. Hello IT pros, this is Jay Singh. Welcome to my channel. Follow me on Twitter at thisisjaysingh, and if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon as well to get all the latest updates from this channel. I have written a blog on Zabbix fundamentals as well, which is on blog.masteringmdm.com. You can check it out. You'll find a link in the description below. So now, what is Zabbix? So Zabbix is a monitoring tool. So what can you monitor with Zabbix? So let's have a look on official Zabbix website for more information. So this is official Zabbix website. If you scroll down, you can see monitor anything, and more information is here. So we can click on more about monitoring solutions, and you can see that networks. If you click on it, and you can find more information about networks, so it can monitor network performance, network health, and configuration changes as well. So we can close that, and servers as well. So for example, HP, Dell, there are out-of-box templates. We will talk about templates later in the video. And clouds, I haven't personally used clouds, but you can see that you can monitor Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure, Google Apps, Google Cloud as well. Okay, let's close this one. And next one is applications, services, and web monitoring. For example, HTTP, and then Apache and all the web servers, including Microsoft IaaS as well. And you can see that you'll find more information here, and we can close that. And storage devices, virtual machines, Java applications, databases, and KPI SLA monitoring. So right now I think they have Nginx template, so we can click on that. You can see that SLA monitoring here. So there is Nginx SLA, so we can close that. And telephony, like asterisk, so security. So these sort of things you can monitor with the help of Zabbix. Okay, now the question is where you can install. So what platform you can use to install Zabbix? So now let's have a look at that. So what platforms you can use to install Zabbix? So now I will jump back on my blog. So I will go to Zabbix fundamentals, continue reading. So here we can see that Zabbix installation, OS, DB, and web server. So this is what we are going to look at. So currently Zabbix server and agent installation, you can see that Linux and all these sort of platforms here. You cannot install Zabbix server on Windows platform. So however, agent, yes, you can. You can see that agent is available on all platforms here, the platforms which are listed here. So now let's have a look at Zabbix support for database types. MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQLite is there as well. So Zabbix support for the servers. So you can see Apache and Nginx is supported. And for more information, if you want to check it out, more information, you can click here. So this will take you to the requirements page. Okay, so in this page, you can see hardware requirements as well. So memory, you can check it out, which is like 120 megabytes, which is not much. And disk space, 256. And CPU. And if you scroll down here, you can see required software. You can check the version of MySQL and all other database type as well. And Apache PHP version as well. So 1.3.12, 7.2.0 or later for PHP. And you can find more information here. Okay, so the next thing is how Zabbix retrieves the data from the target device or target computer or server. So the first thing is you can use Zabbix agent. So Zabbix agent, it actually gives or sends the data back to Zabbix server. So second is SNMP agent. So for example, network devices, routers, switches, they have SNMP. So you can utilize SNMP to send the data back, so it can feed the data back to Zabbix server. And the third is a JMX, like application, Java applications, so they can send back the data to Zabbix. So the fourth is IPMI. So IPMI, it stands for Intelligent Platform Management Interface. Servers like Dell, HP, they have that interface which Zabbix can utilize. For example, HP has ILO. So with the help of ILO, Zabbix can get all the system information from HP server. So the templates are already out there. Only thing you have to do is just download these templates and utilize those templates. Okay, so now we know that how Zabbix actually it retrieves data. So it uses Zabbix agent, or it could use also SNMP agent, JMX monitoring, or IPMI interface through IPM checks. So who dictates what data has to be retrieved? For example, from Windows Server, you would like to see CPU utilization, disk read write, and maybe some processes, what processes are running, or number of processes running. So who dictates that? So the templates, they play an important role in that. So templates, they dictate what type of data Zabbix can retrieve through 4 different type of options what Zabbix has. So there are a lot of templates available. So let's have a look at from where you can find the templates. Okay, so this is the blog post, and right at the end here, you can see that there are out-of-box templates available. So if you click here, it will take you to share.zabbix.com. From here, you can download and import templates to your Zabbix server. For example, this is my virtual machine where I am actually using Zabbix. So if I go to hosts here, and then we will select, this is a Windows server, technex-cm01. I will click on it. Let's go to graphs. So here you can see different graphs. So how does it know what type of graph it has to represent here, and from where it's getting all this data? So if I go back to that host, and we will click on it, let's go to configuration, and you can see that it is part of this group. And if I click on templates, it is using Template OS Windows by Zabbix agent. So this was an inbuilt template which was available out of the box, and I am just utilizing that template to retrieve all this data from Windows Server. That's all for this video. This was a quick overview of Zabbix Server. If you find it informative, give it a thumbs up and show your support. Subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon as well to get all the latest updates from this channel. In the next video, we are going to install Ubuntu on this NUC, and after that, we are going to install Zabbix Server on Ubuntu server. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.